Welcome again to Budget with Brian at my beautiful workshop number 2. On this lovely day, I'm going to talk first of all today about storage boxes. They're becoming of increasing use to all sorts of people and they're worth investigation. We started off once upon a time with a beautiful box presentation by Makita for the 10.8 to 10.8 drill sets. I've moved on and gone to the CXT range. It doesn't fit in there precisely. This is a one-off box for a one-off tool, but with something like these, you can take out the insert and you can remove areas of foam and you can make your own, and that might be very well worth doing. Then the manufacturers went on to boxes like these. Again, these are made purpose-built for the tool, and in this particular case, this one has got good clips and individual compartments, quite sturdy. They will stack, but they don't clip together. And another version of that is this one, which is the Makita one for that tool. At the show, the FFX show, what we actually did is bought some stacking cases. These have been used for demonstration of various tools. They've been stripped out and the boxes were being sold off independently. They're £20 a set. They stack, but again, they have moulded plastic inside. Not particularly useful, and again, you might, if you really wanted to fit your tools, use something like that inside it. And this one, for example, is the Bosch version of that. This is a Sortimo box. Bosch have chosen to do a collaboration with Sortimo, and Sortimo make these boxes for a number of manufacturers of various tools, and the good thing about them is Sortimo, Bosch, whatever would fit together. The clips perhaps are a little bit flimsy, and you have to be careful that when they're locked together you do make sure that you undo both, because if you undo one and you lift, there is a big danger of breaking the clips. So we've spoken about the boxes that we've got here, and should these really go on eBay and bring value to somebody else who is investing in this? Because I personally think that the ones that you might want to go for would be the Milwaukee set. Now the problem with the Milwaukee set is they look good, they clip together well, they've got a price premium. When they're stacked together on their trolley, they're just ideal for moving in and out of the site, and maybe selling off of these might take the pain away from what I think the Milwaukee set presents. They do it with a trolley, as indeed Makita do, but for example, the Makita trolley, nothing special, but about 80 quid. So, have a think about what you would do with storage. Pass me any comments that you have, because I'm still thinking about this, and I'll be appreciative of your comments. We're on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget, subscribe. Always subscribe and you'll get more of Budget's films. But thank you again today for watching Budget with Brian.